This brand is made in China, can be purchased on Amazon, and they are backed by a lifetime guarantee when the unit is registered. The AirTouch WS360A model is a 5-stage purifier with a 1,241 square feet coverage area and a 172 CFM delivery rate. It features an air quality sensor that can control the 7-speed fan when the unit is in the auto mode and a 3-color indicator light to show the room's current air quality. The unit can be controlled through the smartphone app or with Alexa voice commands. The AirTouch Pro WS460A model has a 1,728 square feet coverage area with a 231 CFM delivery rate, and both models are pretty quiet even when operating on the highest speed. The WCAT WS360A model is a 5-stage purifier for cat owners and features a 1,644 square feet coverage area with a 221 CFM delivery rate.